Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk and I'm reaching out to my students. Okay, we are almost at the end of this semester. So this last video that I'm sending you is just basically going to give you instructions on what you need to do to complete this semester. I want to first start off by saying kudos to every one of you who really put the work in to complete this course. Kudos to you. I also want to say that this course was built out for our college because I wanted to bring something to answer that age-old question: what part of the IT industry should I go into? Now, at the completion of this course, if you really put the time in and you really focus and you were really on top of your work, you should have a real good idea on what part of this industry you are interested in. And I would say this: pursue it. No matter what you hear or what you think about that industry, pursue it, pursue it, pursue it. And the reason I'm saying that is because the moment you get started, things begin to change. So this course, in a sense, was your wake-up call. Now, I know some of you have taken other classes and some of you already working in the industry, and this course probably didn't help you at all. But I'm willing to bet that while you were going through this course, whoever you are or whatever part of the course it was, you saw something in here and it struck an interest in you, and you may want to pursue it more. And I would say pursue it. Go for it. We dealt with multiple things, and as you can see right here, I have it on the screen. We went into security. That's where you are now. And you know I did a whole platform on security. I really beat you up with security. You're probably tired of it now. But you see the essence and the need for it. You had a chance to see what system administrators do, which was great, and how they function in a IT infrastructure. So that was great for you to see. You had a chance to see the different type of operating systems we work on. No longer can you just work on a Windows platform. You have to move over to the Linux platform. It's huge. It's in the background. You will not see it unless you go into an environment that has all of the desktop PCs set up. But it's moving more and more towards that way as far as the desktop PCs. But as far as the internet in the background, it's basically Linux. So you also had a chance to dip and dab in a few of the other things, like just what an IT support person do, or learning how we subnet and things like that with the bits and bytes. But you had an opportunity to look at the IT industry. Whether you're going to go into programming, networking, systems, or you're going to go into the higher level stuff like cloud computing, you can see that this class has the opportunity to really spark an idea within you, and you should follow up on it. So go for it. Now, to close out this course, the first thing I'm going to say is this: look at your syllabus and make sure you dotted all your I's and crossed all the T's. Meaning, do everything. Go back and see if it's something you missed, and just do it. You ain't got to email me, hey, professor, give me a little bit more time. No, you ain't going to do all that. Just simply go back in there and complete the work. Now, this class will be open all the way until May the 14th. So you have until May the 14th to get things done. And I have a syllabi right here. I know on the syllabi you're going to see, oh, we should be done with everything by May the 2nd, May the 8th. No, I'm giving you all the way up to the 14th. So complete everything. If it's some things you missed, go back and do it. The college recognized that, you know, with these times and what's happening in the world, we want to give you every opportunity we can for you to complete everything. And to be honest with you, the class is open up until May the 14th. So go in there and make sure you got everything done. This here will be your last discussion question. When you receive this discussion question, all you have to do is do the survey, review the video log, do the survey, and then just complete all the rest of the work. Make sure you get everything completed. And one thing I really enjoy about this class is that you had a chance to see all the different parts to this. You're going to hear me hype on that a lot. But the most important part is the last part. It's the security part. It is really dynamic. You know, defense is one of the greatest things out there. And I'm hoping that some of you guys are really interested in cybersecurity or security in general. Now after the class is over with, I'm going to be making a big announcement. I'm going to send information out to you guys about a class that I'm going to offer in the summertime. But I want to make sure we get all this done before I go into those details. So you'll see that coming to you. And also you're going to receive newsletters from me once a month about what's happening in the industry and what's happening in the classes. But make sure you fill out the survey that's going to be attached to this video log. Make sure you complete everything. And let's get ready for summer, because I'm hearing that we may have a chance to go outside. But let me stop joking. But I hope we do, because I plan on going on a few trips this summer, but I also plan on teaching some classes, and I'm going to let you know about that later. So to close out, 1, make sure you look over everything and you have everything completed. 2, make sure you look at this video log and you also do the survey, because the survey is going to help me. I can't say enough about that particular survey. It helps me prepare for the next class. If you notice this, students are always giving me good ideas to bring forth new information in the classes. A lot of these things that you see me putting together, these are not all my ideas. For the most part they are, but they're not all my ideas. It's coming from my other students of things that they would like to see. And I'm asking you, when you complete the survey, share your knowledge so I can make it better for future students. But with that being said, this is Professor Sistrunk. Finish your course up. Let's close out. Let's get ready for summer. And once again, kudos to every one of you, especially those who put in the work and prepare. Now, if you need help after this class to decide, hey, Professor, I want to go on this path. What should I be doing now? I can lay out the roadmap for you, tell you exactly where you need to be going. But I need you to reach out to me and tell me, hey, Professor, I need that assistance, and I will give it to you. With that being said, this is Professor Sistrunk. Have a lovely summer, and I'll see you in the fall semester.